Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Acorns Later account detailed guide step by step clearly. To install an Acorns Later account, start by downloading the Acorns app from your device's app store. Open the app once it's installed. Select the option to create a new account. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Review and accept the terms and conditions presented to you. Next, provide your personal information, including your name and date of birth. Input your home address for location verification. Continue by answering questions about your employment status and financial situation. Link your bank account by entering your account number and routing number. This step allows you to deposit funds into your new investment account. After linking your bank account, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Follow the instructions for identity verification, which may include uploading a photo ID. Once your identity is confirmed, navigate to the Acorns Later section of the app. Here, you can choose your retirement investment plan. Select the desired portfolio based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Review your selections and confirm your plan. Set up recurring contributions to ensure consistent investments in your account. Finally, review all your information once more before submitting your application. With everything in place, submit your Acorns Later account registration. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is successfully created. Now you're ready to start planning for your future with Acorns Later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.